Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing the milk frother over there. But before I do that, I just thought it'd be nice to show you some of the other accessories that I got from Amazon. All of these things are from Amazon and they've just been delivered today. So let's open box number 1, and we're all getting in the festive spirit, and I really thought these were really cute. And I just want to show you what I got. These are like mini festive trees. And these trees are literally about 40 centimeters long. And they just look like this. And they've got this lovely natural pot to them. That's what I liked about it. And they've tied it up with some lovely rope string there that looks really festive. So in this package here, to go along with that, I decided to get some berries, as you can see. Now these berries are probably, you can use them for decorations, you can use them for wreaths, and I just thought it would be nice to stick a few in the tree, as you can see, and I'll show you that later when I've stuck a few more in here. But you get the picture that it just looks a little bit more lovely, colourful, homely, warmly. And I'm going to put one of those on the sideboard and one of those on something I have down here that I want to show you. So we'll do all of that. So let's put these to one side. I will put all the links down below if you're interested in things like this for the festive season. I think they look really nice, and you can use them. Obviously they're not real, so you can keep using them again and again. And these berries don't go to waste, because again they can be used time and time again, and because you get so many, you can use them for other decorations, Christmas trees. You can use them for wrapping around things because they're very flexible, and you can use them for wreaths. So I've got those as well. As you can see from the pictures, you can make lattes, hot chocolates, cappuccinos, all sorts of things. I'm just going to open this up, give you a quick review, give you a demonstration, and I'm going to make some hot chocolate and show you how it's done. And yeah, and I'll leave a link down below for this, and see if you are interested in something like this. Great for the season, the cold winter weather, and lovely hot chocolate. So I'll put that to one side. Now let me get this one open. Okay, so here it is. I don't know whether you can guess what it is, but this is a new coffee table, and I love this coffee table because it is a fold away coffee table. So you can, if you don't want to use it, you can literally, you can see how flat that comes, so you can usually just pack that away if you don't want to use it.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
Very easy to put together. Definitely recommend the coffee table if you're looking. Like I said, it comes in many colors. It comes in pink, blues, gold, white as well. And yeah, you can even get ones with the bamboo on the sides if you want. I just got mine in all black. Yeah, so I moved my sideboard and I just wanted to change things around, and I put it under the TV, and there you can see in the corner is my little tree with the little berries. And yeah, I got this, actually this is new as well. This is a ceramic diffuser that I got from Amazon, and it really does let off a really nice, I've put sandalwood scent in there, and it changes color, and you can set it to how many different hours that you want to set it for. It really, really is nice. It lets off this beautiful smell. I'm very, very happy with it. Yeah, so still got my little pumpkin there, but I just love it because it goes with the black and white checkered, so I'm just going to leave that there. So yeah, and yeah, so now I've got my pampas in my little vase there. I've had that vase for many, many years. It's been something that's been in the family, and I just thought I'd keep it, and it's lovely. Yeah, so that's what I've done. Like I said, there was a few changes made, but I really like it because I think it looks very much more cozier, having everything more, I don't know, more nearer the TV and close together, and I just like it. So the milk frother. This milk frother is a 3-in-1 multifunctional electric milk steamer foam maker. So it heats up milk, it froths milk, and it also, you can use it for cold frothing as well. So it's great for coffees, great for hot chocolates, great for cappuccinos and lattes. So yeah, and your full capacity for heating milk is 350 ml. And your maximum capacity is 160 ml for frothing milk, and your minimum is 100 ml capacity. So it's literally one button that does 3 different types of functions. So I am going to be demonstrating this milk frother in this video, and it has, I think it's got a 4.7 rating on Amazon, and these are for easy to use, blending power, and easy to clean. So yeah, I thought that it would be great, as I am going to be creating a hot chocolate station, and I'm going to be showing you the process of that in an upcoming video. I would need a frother to help me with my hot chocolates because I do like them frothy. So yeah, I will be combining that with getting my cappuccinos as well, capsules, but making my own as well. So this is going to be great for doing that. Obviously, always read reviews before purchasing anything. This little button on the side here, like I said, the glass is see-through, so you can see what's happening, and there you can see it's got this great protective inlay, which is non-stick, and you will not need to be abrasive when cleaning. It's literally just wipe it gently with a sponge. You don't want to damage any of that protective sealant on there. And yeah, and away you go frothing, and don't overfill it because then it will overfill. Read the guidelines so that you can get the correct capacity and it doesn't overflow when using. The only negative thing I've read about the reviews on this is that it isn't hot enough, but it's not a problem. You can always heat it up in the microwave, but you've still got that great froth there. I'm going to be adding some milk, and when you press this to turn it on, what we'll do is you'll just continuously press it to get the functions on here. So we'll just put some milk in first. I want to make some hot chocolate. There we go. Got that up to the max line, haven't gone over. I'll put the lid on, of course. Right, that's it. So there we go. I want it on hot frothing. And it says that will go for about 90 to 120 seconds. So there you go. You can see the milk has frothed away there. So I'm just going to pour it into my cup with some hot chocolate in. Wow, look at that. And that's what I'm talking about, some nice frothy hot chocolate. And that looks beautiful. Let's take a little bit of that. That is so soft. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Make any comments down below. And I hope to see you all again for some fabulous ideas. Stay safe and